برطانوی तज्जियाकार माइकल क्लार्क ने पाक फ़ज़ाई की जानिब से भारतीय तैयारे राफेल गिराने को हैरान कुन करार दे दिया। इंटरव्यू के दौरान वाज़ेह किया कि पाकिस्तान ने भारतीय हमलों के दौरान चीनी साख्ता एंटी एयरक्राफ्ट डिफेंस सिस्टम इस्तेमाल किया। माइकल क्लार्क ने बताया कि उनके ख्याल से भारत को पाकिस्तान की तकनीकी सलाहियतों पर हैरत हुई होगी।
Provides most of Pakistan's high-end military equipment. They always did provide something, but now they provide the more sophisticated stuff. And in particular, the Chengdu J-10 fighter. Chengdu is the Chengdu Aircraft Corporation, aircraft company in China. And the J-10 fighter is one of their standard but most modern fighters. And it looks as if one of Pakistan's J-10 Chinese fighters may have brought down one of India's Rafale French fighters. Some evidence that a J-10 brought down a Rafale fighter. And of course, the reason that the Pakistanis can't produce the evidence of that, the photographic evidence, is that if the Rafale was downed, it almost certainly came down inside India,